With this course, first term you go and you sit your lectures, then you go into placement and you come back for exams. I think it breaks up your university rather than taking a whole year out, because you can build up your network with both your university colleagues as well as the people that you work with in placement.
In terms of what you'll be doing, you will be with clients from kind of day one. You obviously have your short training period to kind of get you up to speed with the stuff that you haven't done at university. But then you will be with clients from kind of day one, interacting with them. Day to day, we are in audit and assurance, so you'll be going actually out to client sites. It's the best place to be because you learn so much about them and you get the feel of how they run their businesses. And you'll be responsible for liaising with the client to get the information you require to do that. You'll be responsible for doing the documentation, which will effectively then hit our file. You deal with so many different people, huge clients to really small clients. I had like the biggest client in our office, which I was on for 5 weeks. It was great to meet so many different people, and you learn so many different skills. You are immediately putting your name to work that the firm is signing off on, and it is kind of, I guess, a little bit scary and a little bit daunting, but it's somewhere where actually there's a really good support network.
We get kind of continuity on clients next year and the next year, so it's progressive, so that's really good because you're working with similar teams and you feel like you're part of the team, not someone who just comes and goes for 3 months a year. You're still involved, which is really, really good.
Learning from managers and senior people within the workplace, I could bring back the skills and any business knowledge that I'd learned back to university and incorporate into my studies.
PwC want to help you identify which area you're best at. Starting in assurance is a really good route into those other different areas. So for example, there's management consulting,
transactional services, mergers and acquisitions. So many different paths for me to take.
They're also very encouraging about secondments, or you could travel abroad and go to Sydney and work in audit in their office for a year, or in New York. Looking at the back end, what you get with the 12 exemptions, the ACA qualification at the end is kind of really worth that little bit more in terms of effort in the sort of concentrated period after your placement. Everyone's experience will be different. No one will have the same experience, and I think just make the most out of every single moment of the placements, and then going forward, hopefully when you get your offer.